Hi, I'm Digidroid, your child's math buddy from eSingapore Math. So, what is Singapore Math and why are parents buzzing about it? It's a mastery-based approach that helps kids really understand math, not just memorize it. With strong number sense, step-by-step learning, and zero frustration, kids actually enjoy math and gain the confidence to solve even big problems early on. Kids explore with objects, then pictures, then numbers and visual strategies. Like bar models, a proven game plan that helps math finally make sense. eSingapore Math brings this proven method to life online, personalized learning that adapts to your child. Step-by-step video lessons that build real understanding, fun math games, progress tracking for parents, and me, Digidroid. I cheer kids on and reward their effort with coins and custom upgrades. Try it free for 5 days at eatsingaporemath.com and see how fun, smart math can be.